Windows. Creating and configuring windows. Multiple windows makes it easy to compare and drill down into verses. There are 3 ways to create a new window. First, push the New Window button in the bottom right corner. Second, choose New Window via the Window button at the top right of any window. Third, long press a Window button at the bottom of the screen and choose New Window. There are multiple ways to choose the document you want to show in the new window. You can choose a Bible by clicking the Bible button at the top. Or you can choose a commentary by clicking the Commentary button. Or you can choose any document from the application menu. A window can be maximized, so it takes up the whole screen. Restore it to its original size by pushing the Restore Window button in the bottom right of the screen. A window can be minimized so that it is hidden from view. Show the window again by clicking its button in the Window button bar at the bottom of the screen. Reposition the window by using the Move to Menu option. A window has many customization settings. The most recently used settings appear in the pop-up menu. But you can access all window settings via the All Text Options menu item. It's important to understand the difference between Workspace settings and Window settings. These settings are nearly the same, so it's easy to get them confused. Workspace settings are accessed via the dot menu at the top right of the screen. Workspace settings have the gray Workspace icon. Workspace settings apply to all windows. Now for Window settings. They are accessed via the Window buttons. Window settings have either a green Workspace icon or no icon at all. Window settings will use the Workspace setting unless you have changed it to something different. So, if you want to change the appearance of all windows, change the Workspace setting. But if you only want one window to look different, change the Window setting. I want the cross-reference window only to have a different background color. So I change the Window setting. I want all other windows to have a different background color. So I change the Workspace setting. This won't affect the window I just changed because setting the color at the window level overrides the Workspace setting. And finally, I want all windows to have a smaller font size. So I change the font size Workspace setting.
We hope you enjoy using our completely free Bible study app. Visit our website to discover how you can help us make it even better.